everybody. This is Swati from Apna Bank, here to discuss about leveraging technology into banking. Today we see the face of banking is totally changing with the technology coming into the banking space. Technology is an investment which all the banks have to consider. Technology is an investment which all the banks have to consider, as this is going to give returns in a long run. When we are implementing technology, we should see the benefit of the customers and the bank, of both the sides. When I say both the sides, when we are investing on a particular device or on software, we know we are providing service to our customers. But at the same time, there should be a thought process which the bank should have in how can the bank also benefit when you are deploying a particular technology. When we are deploying a technology, the branch staff or the branch infrastructure should be used for business growth. I would say a part of it is like business process re-engineering, what Sir said. When we are deploying a technology, we are providing services to our customers. Our customers are more happy when we provide them with self-help services, like they can do their transactions from the ATM 24/7. They can do their funds transfer from IMPS anytime. They can make their bill payments through the POS terminals or e-com transactions. But at the same time, when we are deploying this, there are certain things where a business process re-engineering comes into picture. There are certain traditional way of banking where processes were run at the branch end. So when we are deploying a particular technology, there are certain processes which can be brought as a central processing unit, under the central processing unit. So there are certain services, when you get it for a centralized processing, so we have a central control over it. For example, I would say earlier, the interest application backups used to be run at each branch, whereas certain such process-driven activities can be brought under a central roof where limited people can sit and do the processes for all the branches. During these processes which are done centrally, the branches can focus on their business expansion, whereas the central processes can be brought in at a central location. And when this is done, there is also a central control which is brought over it. Instead of controlling, say, 15 branches, 20 branches, 100 branches, to find out what they are doing, instead of that, when it is brought under a central location, it can be utilized there. Secondly, even whatever reports required by RBI or any regulatory bodies, so those can be centrally monitored. Even like centralized account opening can be done, where KYC control can be brought under one roof, AML can be brought under one roof. So when we are leveraging technology into banking, we have to see that we have profit in both the sides, that is business development in both the sides. One is we are providing services to the customers where even our customers are happy, and even the bank is happy where they are saving on cost. Today morning, Mr. Anaskar in his lecture, he had said that when a customer goes to an ATM, comes to the branch, the cost is 48 rupees to the bank. Whereas when he goes to the ATM, it is 18 rupees, or an IMPS, it is 4 rupees per transaction. So this is where the bank is saving cost when they are deploying technology. So leveraging technology, the bank has to look into both the aspects, implement business process re-engineering in the best way they think, where they can save cost and bring business improvement, business growth, by using their branch ends to gather in more customers, because the new customers, as Mr. Ajit said, that the new customers, that is the younger generation, require such self-help services which they can do it on their own instead of coming to the bank. because the new young generation users work timing and the bank timings usually do not match. So they prefer doing their banking from their workplace. So deploying technology has become a must now if we have to cater to the new generations. I would like to end my session here. Thank you very much.